Hello friends, today I'll show you how to create Python script that can generate bulk article using OpenAI API. So we'll take help from ChatGPT to create our Python script. So let's go to ChatGPT, and here I will paste my prompt. Okay, now just click on submit, and later I will show you what the prompt is. Yeah, you can see I said act as a expert. Yeah, the spelling is wrong, but yeah, ChatGPT can understand, you know. Okay, so you can see the prompt what I said. Act as a expert Python developer and say to install this libraries, and then I you can read it. Okay, you can read this prompt. You can pause the video and read it. And I said the model name to use. So this is the prompt actually you can use, and you can even customize it in your own, and then you can use it. Okay, or you can just pause the video and write as I wrote in my prompt and give it to ChatGPT, and I hope ChatGPT will give you the output. And you can see I gave it my all the credentials, the API key, the my WordPress username, password. It is and when it's not, I don't suggest that you give this actual credentials to ChatGPT. It's not a good idea. So you can create a env file, there you can store your credentials, but for the sake of this video I'm just keeping them here because it will save my time. Or if I don't give the credentials here, then I have to manually copy and paste every time when I run the script. So that's why I actually gave the credentials here, but I don't suggest you to put your actual credentials in ChatGPT. Okay, now let's see the output ChatGPT gave us. Okay, so you can see the comments it made. Python is a very easy language, so you can easily understand which parts do the which thing. And this is the prompt you can customize your own. Okay, now copy this and let's go to our editor. I am using Python to run the code. So now paste it, Control V. Yeah, now we will run this code. Click run, and it's asking for a keyword. Give any keyword you want. How to play golf. Click enter. Yeah, it's showing an error. Okay, let's try to understand what the error is saying. It's saying line 47. Okay, let's go to line 47 and let's see what happened. Yeah, I don't understand. Okay, now let's try to understand it. Okay, it's saying the OpenAI API key error. Okay, let's check it then. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. Yeah, I told it to put the credentials here, but it didn't. So we have to uh, fix this code now. Or we can just here I stored my credentials. I can copy and paste them manually. Yeah, you can also take the other credentials manually, but you can see my username is missing here. Okay, so it will be good idea if we tell ChatGPT to fix and modify our code. Okay, so I will copy the error thing, click Control A and Control C. Then we will go to ChatGPT, and then we will tell him to fix my, sorry, no, not fix, right, yeah, say fix my code script, and then we'll say what we want it to do, add username variable, and here are the other errors. Yeah, and here we are pasting the error, we copy it from the script. Now click enter or submit, and we are adding that thing. So yeah, we're saying it to use our credentials that we told it earlier. Okay, now click enter or submit button. Okay, so we hope this time it will give us the correct version or the modified better version of the script. Yeah, this time it seems it's giving a really better correct script. Let's copy it and paste it again, Control A, Control V. Yeah, let's run it again. Oh sorry, yeah, we have to change the username and then run it, and as well as give a keyword, how to play cricket. Click enter. Oops, it's again showed error. Yeah, it's saying the model name. Oh sorry, I forgot to change the model name. As I in my earlier prompt I said it to use text DaVinci 003, a text model. Yeah, this is the model name, we said to use it, but in our credentials we gave the other model, so we have to change it, text DaVinci 003. Yeah, so now let's run it again. Okay, give a keyword, how to play carom. Okay, so it will take few seconds. I hope it will post it like within 30 seconds. Yeah, it did it very fast. Okay, now let's check it. Did it finally able to do it or not? Okay, now let's go to our website, AI articles or demo website. Yeah, so this is the article. Click on it. Yeah, and finally, here is the article it published successfully. So you can see the article is not that much fancy or perfect, but what I try to show you that by using ChatGPT, by taking help from ChatGPT, you can create a Python script that is able to generate article automatically by using OpenAI API key and publish it to your WordPress site. So that was the thing I tried to show you guys. Okay. So you can see the article is not published. We have to do some work. Like you can see the category name, the maybe the title you want to modify. Okay, like you can change the category name, you can assign a category and create new category, so we can fix this thing. And then we can work on the third title thing. Okay, and then you can see uh, yeah, the title you can change, like you can do the title. And then you can see here is another title, we don't want that, right? So we can remove it. And then you can see the headings, this should be properly h tags, like bit larger font and bold, but these are not properly formatted, so we can improve these things. And here is you can see a conclusion, but a FAQ section is missing. So there is some obvious things that we have to improve, and you have to do it gradually by putting some time and taking help from ChatGPT. You will be able to do that if you really have interest. So let's try to change the category this time. So we copied the script, and then I am telling ChatGPT to modify the script. This time we will only try to modify or improve the or adding, we will try to add a category uh, adding function, we will try to add in our script. So I'm telling it that I want it to ask a category name, and if the category name exists, then it will assign the post to this category, but if the category name is not exist, then it will create a new one. Okay, so we hope ChatGPT will help us to modify the script. And now here I am giving my script here, paste your script so that it easily can do it. Okay, so it's giving us the script, modified script. Sometimes the code doesn't work, or it because the way we want the ChatGPT will give us it don't always act this way. Okay, so don't lose hope, try several times, and ChatGPT will help you, no problem. But try several times, because sometimes ChatGPT don't give the exact thing we want or tell it to modify. Okay, so now you can see this time, it added the functionality category name. Okay, so let's copy it and run it again to check if it added the category function or function category system in our script or not. Okay, copy it and paste it, Control A, Control V, and let's try to run it again. Give it a keyword. Okay, give a category name, then click enter. Now wait few seconds, because it needs few seconds to perform. Okay, so now let's check. Yeah, you can see it successfully added the category name. So thanks to ChatGPT, it did it. Okay, click on the article. Yeah, you can see it has added the category name functionality or the category name system in our script. So this way actually you can uh, improve your article, improve your script. Okay, you will do it one by one. Like this time I improved or modified the category name functionality, and then you can start with the other thing you can see in the article. Like if you want to modify the title or the heading, just go to ChatGPT and tell it that I want to modify the title and I want to add the modify it this way, and then give it the prompt and say you're in the first that modify my script or improve my script, then it will do its job. Okay, and you will do it by one. Don't try to do everything in once. Try to fix one by one issue, then I think you will be able to do that. And to give you the idea or to show you how a complete article looks like by the article generated by the script like this, I will show you my own script that I have made. So you will get an idea what are the elements, what are the functions you can add to your own script also. So now I will show you my script and I will run it and I will try to generate some articles. Okay, so now let's try it. Okay, I copied my script and I will paste it, Control A, Control V. Yeah, this is my script. I'll show you later what it does, what every section will do. But now for this time, I will generate some article first. So run it, click run, and then it is asking how many keywords we want to publish. I will write three. I'll try three articles. Then it's enter keyword. Okay, we'll try the previous keywords we have tried. Okay, so every time when we are done, I will click enter. Okay, top 5 best yeah, car in the world. Now click enter and give a category name. Okay, I'm giving a test. Now click enter. So it will take a few seconds, like longer times. It will take longer times than earlier we show it because we have used a latest model, OpenAI model, and it actually give good quality article but takes some times. It depends on the RPM. You can see the model we are using. This is the model, and it has only 3 RPM or like request per minute. It can send 3 requests per every minute. That's why it's little bit slow. So like when we are using 5 to 6 requests, then yeah, you know it will take around 2 minutes for each article. But if you use faster models, then it will like take very short time. But to get a better quality article, uh, I am using this model because it's the latest model in GPT 3.5. So if you want like fast generation, then you can use the TextDavinci 3 model. But to get better quality article, consider using the latest GPT 3.5 model. Okay, the one article is published. We can check this article, that how does it looks like. Okay, let's refresh our website, and yeah, this is the article. Open it. Yeah, you can see it's a good looking article. Give a category name, then a title, SEO friendly title, and it's a featured image taken from Google. This is a featured image not included in the article, but for only the viewers. Then an introduction. The table of content I used by a plugin. And then you can see a image generated by Python pillow library. It's a unique image, and I have used the alter text here. The post, you can set the post title or keyword here as a alter text. I think it will give a little bit SEO benefit when in the ranking. You can see the alter tag. It's SEO friendly alter tag we have used. And this is the main discussion started here. You can see it started with the main keyword. And here is the article. You can see, and here is a video it added by YouTube. And the title we have used, it's properly ACE tag. It's maybe ACE3 tag. Let's check it. Yeah, and here is the section of frequently asked questions. So a article with nice formatting, and let's check how many word it is. Yeah, you can see the word counts, and let's see how many times it used the main keyword. Yeah, you can see 10 times, but it will be like 7 to 8 times, because the other things are showing in the search bar. So it used 7 to 8 times the main keyword. So okay, so the other two article also got published. Let's check also this. Click on open. Okay, yeah, you can see this article also nicely uh, formatted and published in our website. Okay, so when you will also make a Python script, so you will generate it or you will make it in your own way, but I am just showing you that the things I made. Okay, so let's check their word counts. Average word counts, I hope it will be uh, 1200 to 1500 average word count. So yeah, you can see this article also is a very good. So I hope you get a clear idea that how can you make, how can you can also make a Python script like this one, like your script also can generate this type of this quality and this formatted article. Okay, what you have to do is just to try and put some time into it. I hope you can do that. So now let's introduce my script, what the elements or the sections I have added. Yeah, you can see the prompts. This is the prompt for the title making, and let's see the feature image functionality. So this is the section get image. This function is creating the featured image. It's taking the image from Google by searching the keyword. And you can see this image, it's creating by pillow library. You can see the color, the colors, different colors, each articles taking different color to making the image. and here is the color code, so you can change them in your own. And now let's see the main function. It's this function is creating the image actually. So we tell it to select the color randomly, and it's a unique image, that's why we have used this. Like if we use in third party image, it might get copyright or something. That's how we have used this unique image. And now we can see the other prompts like the main body and the other things here. So this is the YouTube video functionality. And you can see this is the model name, OpenAI model. You can use the model you want, and you can change the Google CSC ID and custom search engine ID and the API keys. You can see here is the username, my WP credentials, the username, application password, it is, etc. And everything, how you can get the OpenAI API key and Google custom search engine ID, API keys, and WordPress application password. Everything I have kept here in this Google Doc. You can find it here. And so that was the everything today. I think I tried my best to describe or show you how you can make a Python script your own by using ChatGPT that can generate bulk article, automatic article, and publish it to your WordPress website using OpenAI API key. So I hope you guys get it. So if you need any help or just reach to me, I will try to help you. And you guys can also sell your script if it can generate high quality article. Like I also able to sell my this script to several people. They bought my buy my script, and they are generating unlimited and thousands of article per day. So you can also sell your article, sell your script if it can generate a good high quality article. So that was the thing. I think I tried my best, and so that was everything for today. And again saying, if you need anything, just any help, just try to reach me. I'll try my best to help you guys. Thank you so much.